dear student. Today we are going to start the chapter 4 from the economic side, and the name of our chapter is globalization and the Indian economy. Before this chapter, in the earlier chapter we have discussed about the money and the credit. So in this chapter mainly we will discuss about the introduction part, then we will discuss the production across countries, the spreading of production by MNC, interlinking production across country and so on so. Okay, so introduction, as an introduction part we can say that nowadays you are seeing the variety of product in our market. Okay, and this product, it means we cannot say that this product are manufactured only in our country only. It means the product that are manufactured in another countries, this product also came in our country and we people are just using this product. Okay, it means the different countries, they are just sending their products. It means nowadays we are just exporting the product from the another country. In the same manner we are just import our product to the another country. Okay, it means we cannot say that it means only the few products are. It means if we will just talk about the earlier time. So in the earlier times, if we take the example of the car, so only the ambassador car is run on the road of the India. Okay, but now you can see the variety of the cars are there. Okay, and every few days the new model of the mobile phone has come. Okay, so it means we can say that the variety of product, they are just came in our country and we people are using this product. So this we can say that this is the transformation of the market. Okay, it means nowadays in the market the different types of products are available and we people are using the variety of product. So in a matter of years our market has been transformed. Okay, so how can we say that this transform has done? ये इतने सारे जो नए नए प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आए हैं, so how it is possible? This is possible. It means we can say that the production across countries. It means nowadays we people are using the product that are not only the manufactured in our country only. It means this product are manufactured in another country. It means जो product बाहर दूसरी country में manufacture हुए हैं, वो product भी आज हम लोग easily use कर सकते हैं. Okay, and in the same manner we people are also, it means the Indian people, they are also manufacturing some product. Okay, and in the same manner we are just to export this product. Okay, हम दूसरी कंट्री से प्रोडक्ट मंगवा भी रहे हैं और इन द सेम मैनर हम दूसरी कंट्रीज में अपने प्रोडक्ट सेंड भी कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज वी कैन से दैट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मार्केट. This things is become possible due to the MNC. Here we can say that MNC. MNC, it means multinational corporation. Okay, it means what is this MNC? ये MNC or multinational corporation है क्या? Okay, so in this we can say that the MNC, it means this multinational corporation is a companies. Okay, that these are the different companies are there, multinational companies are there. Okay, and these multinational companies that are control production are more than one nation. Okay, it means ये जो multinational companies होती है, ये अपने प्रोडक्शन को एक से ज्यादा कंट्रीज में स्टार्ट करती है. It means they are just established their market. Okay, more than one countries. It means we can say that in some countries they are just manufacture their product, and after manufacture the product they are just sending their product. It means for the establishment they are just sending their product into the another countries. Okay, where the market is very large, and after that again they are just it means for the advertisement purpose again they are sending their product to another countries. Okay, and after that when the product is completely ready, they are just to send their product to the different parts of the world. And in this way this multinational companies, they just earn the profit. It means mainly this multinational company, they are searching the countries where the raw material, they can just get the raw material in very low cost. Okay, in the same manner they can just easily available the labor. Okay, so in this way their main aim is that the cost of the production is somewhat low and in the same manner they can just earn the more and more profits. Okay. So here one example is given in your book, spreading of production by an MNC. It means कैसे MNC ने multinational companies है. Here again and again I will use the word MNC. MNC it means the multinational corporation. So here we will check it that how one MNC it means multinational corporation they are just spreading their production into the another countries. So one example is given in your book. It means a large MNC producing industrial equipment, designing its product in research center in United States. Okay, it means in this example we can see the things is there that एक MNC one multinational companies is there. Okay, so this multinational companies, so they are just to choose the China because China provide the advantage of being a cheap manufacturing location. Okay, so in this way they are just manufacture their product in China. And after that, Mexico and this multinational company, this multinational corporation, they choose the Mexico and Eastern Europe for useful for their closeness to the market. For it means after that they have just choose another country because these countries they are very much close to the market area. And after that they are just to choose the India for the advertisement purpose. We can say that because in the India highly skilled engineer who can understand and technical, educate English speaking youth. So after that they have just started their call center in India. Okay, and in this call center the people they are just giving the information about the product. Okay, so in this way they are just MNC, they are just spreading of production. Okay, it means with the help of the different countries, this MNC they are just starting their business, and the main aim the MNC is it means their cost of the production is very low, and in this way they are just earn the more amount of profit. It means with the help of this, suppose the production of cost is only 50 to 60%. Okay, it means कि जो cost है production की they are only 50 to 60%, and after that when they are just sending their product to the another country, in this way they are just earn the more amount of profit. Now we can check it. Interlinking production across countries. Interlinking production across countries. It means you can check that MNC. Okay, they established their production. It means in that particular country where they can easily get the raw material at a very cheap price. Okay, and in the same manner they can just got the skilled and unskilled both type of labor they can get easily. Okay, and in the same manner they want the availability of market. So in this way, if they will just search all these things, so in the same manner their production cost will be very less, and when they will send the product to the another country, so then they will just earn the high amount of profit. So that's why they are just to start the investment. Okay, so in the local companies are the local market. Okay, it means they are just investment in the building, the land, okay, in the machinery. So the investment that is done by the MNC is called the foreign investment. Okay, and with the help of this local companies are okay. So first of all they are just buy any of the local company, or they are just merge with any of the local companies. Okay, one example is given in your book that one of the local company. Okay, in this local company they are very much aware about the condition of the market. So this is one company they are just manufacture the oil. Okay, so this particular company they are just manufacturing the food oil. Okay, and in this food oil because they also have 4 food refineries are there. So one MNC they are just joined with this particular local company. Okay, and after that they are just giving the money. Okay, and why the local company they are agreed to just start the business with the MNC. Okay, because in the local market, suppose any of the person if they don't have the large amount of money, okay, to just develop their companies. Okay, या अपने व्यापार को बहुत ज्यादा आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उसके पास में इतना पैसा नहीं होता है सेटअप करने के लिए. So that's why they are just wanted that MNC. Okay, and in this MNC they are just investment in this company. Okay, and after that this company this was very much popular. Okay, and they are just to sell a large amount of product. So in this way we can say that the MNC they are just merged with the local companies. It means they are just take the they take the advantage of the local company. Okay, and in the same manner, sometimes this MNC, because they want to earn the more amount of profit, so that's why they are just search the people, those who are just manufacturing the things, okay, at the local level. It means sometimes they are just giving the order to the local level. It means they are just preparing the shoes, they are preparing the small size of machineries, okay, and then mainly the clothes, okay. And after that, this MNC, they are just to purchase all the material from this local people, okay, and after that they are just use their brand, their own name, okay, and they are just fix their own price. And because here the things is very much popular about the branded things, because the people, they are very much those who are very rich persons are there, okay, and some the peoples, because sometimes the people, they are just think about the same, because this is the branded item, so this is very good in quality, okay. So that's why this MNC, okay, they are just purchasing the things from the local people, okay, and after that they are just put their own brand, they just give their own name on that particular product, and again they are just to fix the price and resell this product to the again, okay. It means in this way, this MNC, they are just start their business, okay. So in this way we can say that this MNC, okay, so this by setting up this partnership with the local companies, and by this local companies for supplying this MNC, they are just they can, in this way they can just increase their demand of the production by setting up the production with the local companies. So this we can say that the interlinking production across the country, okay, it means in this way they can just increase their production. So as you all know about that MNC, they are just set up their offices in the different part of the country, okay, and they are just started their manufacturing in the different part of the country. It means in this way they are just develop the foreign trade. So here our next topic is that foreign trade and integration of markets. Okay, it means as you all know about that this is the trade of, it means the trade. This is very simple way to connecting the two countries. Okay, it means state के द्वारा एक country दूसरी country से easily connect हो जाती है. And this is the, we can say that very popular method. Okay, it means in the history time also you have seen about the same, that the East India Company is set up in so many different countries. They are just came to India and they have just established their factories over here. Okay, so in this way they just want to just promote the foreign trade, and in the same way that foreign trade, this is the best way to connecting the two countries. Okay, so what is the advantages and what is the benefit of this foreign trade? Okay, it means how it is this integrated to the market. So one most important point is that, okay, that if the foreign trade is there, so in this way the producer, okay, so they can just compete with the domestic, it means those who are the producer of the domestic market, so they have just compete with the international market, okay, because if they are just seeing the things that is the coming from in our country from the international market, so they can just compare their product, and in this way they can also just increase the quality of their product, okay, and in the same manner as a consumer, okay, so in the consumer they have this choice, that either they are just it means they have just choice to choose any of the product, either they are just manufactured in our country, either from they are just came from the another country. So as a producer they have this the things is that they can just compete with the international market, and as a consumer they have just choice that they can choose the product from any of the country. So in this way one example is given in your book about the Chinese toy. Okay, so you have seen that the Chinese, whatever the toys, manufacturing the toys, so there are a great demand in the Indian market about the Chinese toys. Okay, why? Because the Chinese companies, okay, they have just seen that whatever the toys are produced in our country, India, they are not a very, it means a very good in quality, okay, and in the price, if compare the price, so in the price also they are very high in price. So that's why the Chinese company, they have just started the manufacturing the toys, okay. And after that, when they just send their toys in the market, so the consumer, the people, they are just compare. If they just compare the toys that is manufactured in the Indian companies and the toys they are just manufactured in the Chinese, okay. So they just compare that this Chinese toy, they are very good in quality, okay, and in the same manner they are very less amount in the price, okay. इसमें amount के हिसाब से थोड़े से सस्ते होते हैं, okay, and not in the toys. There are some different product are also there. So many product are there. So if we compare this product to the other market, so we can say that the Chinese product, they are very less in price. So the people, they have just option that they can just choose the product. Because if we are going to the market in the same manner, we will just think about the same that whatever if we just compare to the two products. So in the same way we can think that if any of the product they are very less in price and the quality are the same, okay, then also we'll choose the product that are very less in price. So in this way, in this example it is given in your book. So here you can see that the Chinese toys. So in this way, the person, okay, it means as a result, the Chinese toys came into the Indian market and in the competition between Indian and Chinese toy. So definitely the Indian buyer have a greater choice to toy and at a lower price. Okay. And for this Chinese toy market, this provide an opportunity to expand their business. Okay. So in this way, we can say that the things, it means whatever the things that is coming from the another country, okay, so it means we can say that the people, we as a consumer, we have the choice that in the same manner we can just choose the quality and the price. In this all the matter we can just compare the price, okay. But in the same manner that those who are the producer, they are just they are not able to sell their product into the market, okay, because if the Chinese toy, they are very much less in the price. So in this way they have to face the tough competition, and if they want to expand their business in the same way, they have to give the same quality and the same price, then also the people, they will just purchase the things, okay. So in this way we can say that if we will discuss about the foreign trade, so in the foreign trade, the people have the choice about, they have just opening the trade, and in this way the foreign trades, okay. So in this, with the help of the foreign trades, the countries, they are just connected to each other, okay, and the people, they have also the variety of option. In this variety they can choose their own product, okay. So in this particular video, we have completed about the introduction part, the production across the country, the spreading of production by an MNC, interlinking production across the countries, and with the help of the example of the Chinese toy, we have just understood this point about foreign trade and integration of market. Okay, so in this video, we'll just explain only this particular topic. Okay, so please go through the topic, and for the next topic, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.